Hello dear students, welcome to Dhaka online school. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, I am Inamul Islam, assistant teacher of Sher-e-Bangla School and College. Today I will discuss a grammatical topic with you, and our today's topic is transformation, and we will again discuss today about how will you change the affirmative sentences into negative. Dear students, in my last class I showed you 4 rules to make the affirmative sentences negative. In my last rules I showed you how will you change the affirmative sentences into negative if the affirmative sentence starts with every, and I show you that we will use there is no, and we will also use but after the noun to make the sentence negative. Today I will show you another 2 rules of the affirmative sentence which are start with every, and I will show you how will you change that kind of sentences into negative. So let's see the system. If the sentence starts with every, look at the example. Every mother loves her child. Here the sentence has started with every, and we will make this sentence, change this sentence into negative. So the negative sentence will be there is no mother who doesn't love her child. Here I used there is no instead of every, and I have also used who doesn't after the noun to make this sentence into negative. So dear student, what will you do to make these kinds of sentence into negative? You will use there is no, and you will also use who doesn't after the noun to make this kind of sentence into negative. Let's clear the idea with some more examples. Look the sentence. Every person wants to be happy. Every person wants to be happy. The sentence has started with every, and we will use there is no instead of every, and we will also use who doesn't after the noun that is used in the affirmative sentence. So there is no person who doesn't want to be happy. Dear students, let's see the another example. Everybody likes flower. Everybody likes flower. This sentence has also started with every, and as usual we will write there is nobody who doesn't like flowers. Dear students, we will see the another rules of the affirmative sentence that has started with every. Look the example. Every mother loves her child. How can we make this sentence negative? I show before 2 rules that you can use to make them negative, but now I will see you another rules that you can make this sentence negative. Look, Every mother loves her child, affirmative sentence. Negative sentence will be no mother hates her child. What happened there? I used no instead of every, and I used hates the opposite as the opposite word of loves. That means we can also make this kind of sentence by using no instead of every, but in this case we have to use opposite word of the given verbs or adjective, like this. Every person wants to be happy. So how can we make this negative? We will use no instead of every, and we will also use the opposite word of the adjective. So the negative sentence will be no person wants to be happy. Look here, I have used no instead of every, and I have also used unhappy as the opposite word of the adjective happy. So the negative sentence is no person wants to be happy. Look, another sentence, everybody likes flower. What will be the negative sentence? The negative sentence will be nobody dislikes flower. Here no has been used instead of every, and dislikes has been used as an opposite word of like. So now it is clear to us that how will we change the sentence into negative if the sentence starts with every. I have showed you 3 rules. You can use any of these 3 rules to make the sentence into negative. Dear students, let's go to see the another rules. We can change the affirmative sentence into negative by using noun, by using opposite word of noun, adjectives, verbs and adverbs. So let's clear with some examples. Here the structure. We will use the opposite word, and we also used a not. We use not to make the sentence negative. Look the example. Mashrafi is a good player. Here which is the opposite adjective of this sentence? Good is the adjective of this sentence. And what is the opposite word of good? Yes, bad is the opposite word of good. And now we will use the opposite word of this adjective to make this sentence negative, and we also use not to make the sentence negative. The negative sentence will be Mashrafi is not a bad player. Look, I have used the opposite word of good, and it is bad, and I have also used not in this sentence to make it negative. Look the another sentence. Mr. Khan was an honest man. Here honest is an adjective and its opposite word is dishonest. So we can write Mr. Khan was not a dishonest man as a negative sentence. Look, dear students, let's see more example. Here I have many friends. Here many is an adjective and the opposite word of this adjective is a few. So we can write I have not a few friends. Here a few has been used as the opposite word of many, and not has also been used here. Look at the another sentence. The rich man has much money. Much is an adjective, and what is the opposite word of much? Yes, a little. So we can write the rich man has not a little money. Here the rich man has not a little money is the negative form of the rich man has much money. We should remember our teacher's advice. Here I will show how will you change the affirmative sentence into negative by changing the verb that used in the affirmative sentence. And what is the opposite word of remember? You know, the opposite word of remember is forget, so we can use forget here. Negative sentence, we should not forget our teacher's advice. Here look at the another sentence. I am your friend. Here friend is a noun, and I will show you how will you change this kind of sentence into negative by changing this noun. Friend is a noun, and what is the opposite word of friend? Yes, enemy is the opposite word of friend, so we can write I am not your enemy. Here you did the sum correctly. Here I will show how you will you can change this kind of sentence by changing adverb. Here correctly is adverb, and its opposite word is incorrectly. So the negative sentence will be you did not do the sum incorrectly. Dear students, now I will show you if always is used in the affirmative sentence, how will you change this kind of sentences into negative. Look at the example. They are always regular in their duties. I always obey my elders. Our headmaster is always kind to us. Always has been used in all sentences. So how can we change these sentences into negative? Yes, dear students, to change this kind of sentences into negative, we will use never instead of always, and we have to use the opposite word of the given word which always has indicated. Look the example. They are always regular in their duties. Here the negative sentence is they are never irregular in their duties. Here never has been used in place of always, and we have also used irregular as opposite word of regular. Look at the another example. You always obey your elders. I hope you will be able to make it negative. What the negative sentence? What the negative sentence of this sentence? You always obey your elders. Dear students, the negative sentence will be you never disobey your elders. Here never has been used instead of always, and we used disobey as a opposite word of obey. Dear students, look at the another example. I always remember your advice. What is the negative form? I never forget your advice. Another sentence, our headmaster is always kind to us. Look, our headmaster is never unkind to us. Dear students, let's see the another kind of affirmative sentence where sometime is used, and we will use not always instead of sometime to make them negative. Let's see the example. My friends sometimes visit me. I told you before that we will use not always instead of sometime. So the negative sentence will be, my friends does not always visit me. Does not always visit me. Look at the another sentence. A poor man is sometimes happy. The negative sentence will be, a poor man is not always happy. Here I used always instead of sometimes, and not has also been used here to make the sentence negative. Dear students, look at the structure of a sentence. If to plus adjective plus to is used in the affirmative sentence. Look the example. The boy is too small to speak clearly. They are too weak to do the work. He was too poor to buy a car. Dear students, these three sentences is follow the structure that I showed first. So how can we change this kind of sentences into negative? Let's know. We will use subject that is given in the sentence, affirmative sentence. We will also use verb, and then we will use so instead of to, and after that we will use the adjective of the sentence, and we will use that subject cannot or could not instead of to, and then we will just write the rest of the sentences. Dear students, look here, I used cannot and could not. Where will you use cannot and where you will use could not? Okay. If the sentence is in present form, we will use cannot, and in case of past tense we will use could not. Let's clear it by some examples. The boy is too small to speak clearly. Here, according to the structure, we can write the boy is so small that he cannot speak clearly. Here so has been used instead of to, and that he cannot, that means that plus subject plus cannot has been used in replace of instead of to make the sentence clear, negative. They were too poor to buy a new car. The negative sentence is they were so poor that they could not buy a new car. Dear students, I think now you have understood the rules that I showed in my today's class, and I believe, or I hope, if you practice this kind of sentence at your home, you will be able to make them negative. So, dear students, no more today. Thank you all to participate in my class and stay with me. So, no more today. Thank you again.